I request all my students to put their microphones on and give a huge applause to the champion of the day. He
Congratulations.
passed with zero error.
Congratulations.
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 All right.
Congratulations.
Well done.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so
Congrats,
much. I really
congrats,
appreciate it.
congrats.
Thank you. Thank you so
Congrats.
much.
Just a second, hold on. Huh? Okay. Hey, yeah, just a second. I'm putting all the microphones off. Hold on. Now, Idris, where are you? Idris, speak.
I'm here, sir. I'm here, sir.
Well, put your hands on. Okay, okay, there you are, champion. Hi, nice to see you.
Yeah, welcome,
How are you
sir.
feeling? Now you talk. It's your time.
I'm really feel happy. I'm really feel happy. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you for your time. Thank you for everything. Thank you so much.
No, you
You
tell
are,
Idris. Idris, tell from the first time when you came to join, when you heard about us, when you joined the
I'm
beginning,
one of
how your
the,
learning process went and all that.
I'm one of the most unserious students here. There, I'm one of the but you really encouraged me. Like seriously, you really did something that really surprised me. The first time I write the exam that I called you, I scored so scores. I was scared. I would like tell, I would like tell Mr. Ambrish that I scored this kind of score. But when I told you, you really encouraged the voice note that you gave me that day. It really motivates me. I stretch on my tail. The voice note, it really motivates me. Even though I don't come to class often because of my work, I make sure I do my quiz. Even I do more than 20 times in a day. If I have just 5 seconds, if I have 10 minutes in break, I have to go for quiz. Even 10, I can do quiz in 10 minutes. Even though maybe I have 1 error, 2 error, 3 error, I'll still continue doing the quiz because of the nature of my job. I don't have much time. But you really encourage me, you motivate me a lot because I don't speak the language. I don't really hear one inside the language. I can't speak anything in Italian.
That's why,
Like
what people are
seriously,
surprised.
seriously,
Some people say, I need
seriously.
to learn Italian first and then I'll come.
I no, I don't even speak anything in Italian. Even when I told my boss I passed the exam today, my boss will be surprised. That you that we couldn't speak Italian. I was just, maybe you want to go and waste your money. My boss, I really told him I scored 0 error.
Bravissimo.
Zero
How
error.
many
And I
people
did
fail?
it. I did it. I have almost 40 minutes left. I have 40 minutes left. I did it within 6 minutes. I finished it.
Super.
And I have
And
0 error. Thank you so much. I really
anybody
bless
else?
you. Thank you
People
so much.
failed?
Thank you.
Anybody
Thank you
failed
so much.
in your
People fail. Yeah, even white people fail. Italian people fail.
even
Italian
white
people
people
fail.
fail. Even Italians
Italian people
fail.
fail. Seriously, Italian people fail. Because when they give me the paper, they didn't tell me anything. Well, I open it. I don't see anything. They don't write, maybe I missed two or because I was expecting at least two. So I went there back. I told the mother, they didn't write anything here. The one told me that it's done. 0 error. I left there with proudness.
We are so proud of you, Jenny.
Thank you
So,
so much.
if you
Thank
have
you so much. I
any
really
good
appreciate
message,
you.
encouraging message for the students, if you want to tell them.
No, for me, just try your possible best to come to class every time. Try your possible best to come to class because I have time of almost like from April to September. I come to class every day, every day, every day. I always come to class every day. Just come to class. Even if you come to class, you pick one or two things. Come to class and always do your quiz. That's just this. Come to
Perfect.
class, do your quiz as many as you can do 20 if you want.
All right.
Wake up in the midnight, try to do your quiz. Thank you so much. Thank
Most
you. I
welcome,
wish
Mr. Sam.
everybody best of luck.
Thanks a lot.
Thank
You
you
made
so
us
much,
all
sir.
very, very
Thank you so
happy.
much.
Now,
Thank you. I'm very, very happy. Sir.
Idris, you tell your friends about us, about the school.
Yes. One of my friends will join next week.
Okay.
One of my
And
friends will
second
join
thing,
next
now that your theory is over and when you start your practical test, and if
week.
you
Okay.
want my help, if you contact me 4 days before your practical exams, I will
Okay,
do
sir.
everything and give you the information you need to pass. And
Thank
then
you so much.
before you start driving your practical test, 2 hours before, give me a call and you need to hear my voice and then you'll pass.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay. Thank you,
All
sir.
right.
Thank you
Thanks a
so
lot,
much, sir.
Idris. Very happy for
Thank you,
you.
everybody. Thank you
God
so
bless you.
much. Thank you.